All right, time for us to have a little GalTime this morning. Here's our question. What's the craziest tax deduction you've tried to make work, and did it ever work? You know, April means tax season.
Yeah,
tax
it's
time.
what? Oh, that's right. This year it's April 18th because April 15th is a federal holiday or a DC holiday. So so it's April 18th this year,
Okay.
not April 15th.
Did you start yours yet?
Girl, honey, I e-filed, got that refund back, and I've already spent that money.
Oh, nice. Good
Oh,
for
yeah,
you.
it's been done.
Good for you.
Is as soon as they say you can file,
You're there.
send.
Well, good for you.
all
I'm
my
a bit of
money.
a procrastinator.
No, But you can get creative just in case you're in the situation where you're still working on your taxes. But there are a couple of things you cannot do, and you got to be careful of that because you don't want to get audited, 3, 4, 5 years from now. GalTime.com has some accountant stories of the craziest deductions they've seen. Here we go. Check. Someone tried to deduct their haircut.
This is hysterical. It says, I was prepping a tax return for a state trooper who was trying to deduct everything under the sun. He had listed haircuts as a deduction. I asked him why. He replied that his hair had to be cut short as a requirement of his job. I responded that your employer probably requires daily bathing too, but you can't deduct the
But you know
soap.
what? I could see him making that point because they have to be in uniform. They have to look a certain way.
Yeah.
So if part of that is having short hair,
I think it
and
just
he wanted to
depends
grow a
what kind of
ponytail.
accountant you go to. There's a lot of them out there that can get very
They work
creative, and a lot of them, they're like, we just don't even want to go there.
Work it. All right, so check it out. A member of my church wanted to confirm that he would be able to take a tax deduction for his donation of sperm to a sperm bank. You talk about crazy. His reasoning was that the gift of his sperm was such a value to humankind that he surely should be able to take a tax deduction for it.
Please, please. And real quick, I had a client try to claim a business expense for his Valentine's Day dinner with his girlfriend, but get this, he was a building supply sales rep. Probably not that interesting of a dinner.
Uh-oh.